Hello.
Hi, hello.
Priti.
Welcome.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. I'm Noni.
Hi, Noni.
Hello.
Hi, Prashant.
Nice to meet you, Prashant.
Please come in.
Thank you. So let's start at the beginning. What are your memories of India, of your home and your family?
My memories are very vague, but I do remember my birth mum passing away and my grandmother coming to get my brother and I. No one could take care of us and no one wanted to take the responsibility of two young kids. So she decided to take us to an orphanage.
Don't remember the house where you lived?
I do remember the sound of a train, so like train tracks behind our house. A lot of my memories, I'm not sure if they're real or if they're dreams, like things that I've made up as time went on.
Okay. So how old were you when your mum passed away?
So I probably would have been about around two.
Yeah, so I would have been maybe 4. Again, I don't remember the exact ages.
No. Do you have any idea what might have happened to her?
So I remember like being with my birth mum and my birth father, and I do remember like a lot of yelling and shouting and fighting, and I think he did something to her because I've always had this suspicion that he was responsible for her death because he was so abusive.
If he did have something to do with it or murder her,
Yeah.
he might not have been held accountable.
No.
Yeah.
So you have no knowledge of your dad, what happened to him? Or...
No.
So how long did you stay at the orphanage?
Probably about 1.5 to 2 years we were there.
How did the adoption come about?
Initially, mum and dad were after one child, and I think we were at an age where we probably weren't being able to be separated. And then they've asked Dad, would you like the pair? And Dad,
Buy one, get one free.
Yeah, buy one, get one free. And Dad said, yeah. These are the adoption papers. Yeah, that's probably the only official document we have.
You don't look very happy in those photos. They must be the earliest photos of you, aren't they?
Yeah. My birth father's name is listed there. Tugra Prasad Katotkara.
And there's no details of your mother in there?
No.
So no, there's no name for her.
No.
I suppose you want to honour your mother by having her existence validated.
Yes, definitely.
Well, I really hope we can find you some answers and you know, give you some peace of mind.
Yeah.
Because you've had an extraordinary journey to get here.
Yeah, we have.
Yep.
Yeah.